Hi, this is Sally, and welcome to How to Take. Today, I'm going to show you a simple Google extension you can use to extract any code from any website to copy any design that you want. So, let me show you how it is done. First, you want to head over to your browser and type in the save all resource extension. So this is like an extension that you're going to add to your browser, and then you'll be able to use it on any website that you want. So just type in search for save all resources extension, and then click on the uh first link that comes up. Click on it and it will take you to the page where you'll be able to add it to your browser. And just for this, I already added it. It's already been added to my browser. So if you haven't, just click on add. You see a button that says add to your browser. Just click on that, give it a few seconds, and it will be added to your browser. So after that, just head over to you could use this anyhow where you want to, but for this demonstration I'm just going to use it to my in my WordPress. So just add a new page and it's going to bring you here. Once you're here, you can decide to add any title, but that's not needed because you are going to copy the design. So just after that is done, go back to, let's say, any page that you want to copy their design. So for this, I want to copy this design because I like it, so I want to use it. So what I simply am going to do is right click on it and then click on inspect. So it's going to bring you here this window where you see all the elements that this site is made up of. So just click on I don't know, for some Windows or for some systems, you could just see it immediately after you click, but for some you may need to click on the more. So from the more, you see, just look through and then you see where you have the name of the extension, which is the resource, like save or resources. So this is the resource saver. Just click on it and yes, it's going to open up this window. Make sure you click on the box that says beautify and then include all assets. So once that is done, just give it few seconds, and it's trying to include all the resources. So this is done. So just click on the save all resources. When you click on this, it's going to be downloaded into your system. So after you have this downloaded, just go to the file where it's been downloaded, extract this, and when you extract this, you're going to have, this is all the files. I extracted all the files, so these are all the files. Just go to the website, and this is it. This is the index.html. So this is it. So you have it. This is the design, the one I showed you that I wanted to copy. So this is everything. So once that is done, you have the code, right? So you can either open this code in your VS Code or any code editor that you have. Just open it with VS Code. So yeah, so this is it. Basically, you just need to, what you need to do is just copy the code as it is. You can edit it if there's anything you want to change. For the sake of this video, I don't want to make it that long, so I'm just going to copy everything. You can change if you want to change anything. So what we need to do now is look for the HTML elements, or widgets rather. Just search for it. Okay, so we have it, and this is where we're going to paste our code. Let's paste that. Just so this is where we're going to paste our code. So yes, this is our code. I'm just gonna delete some of this stuffs because I really don't need them. So this is it, and you can see that everything is similar to the website that we just cloned. Okay, so if you can preview this, let's preview this and see. So this is it. So you can edit this to whatever you want. Okay, so this copying is just so that we can copy the layout, the design, but we're not going to use the same wordings or the same text. We're not going to use the same wordings or the same text. So it's just basically just to copy the design. So we'll have to change the video with another video, just edit it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on that notification bell. So I post videos like this. I post videos like this every day. Thank you and bye. See you next time.